Good day, everyone. Did you all know that January is one of the best times to kick off your gardening season? Now, you don't have to wait till spring. Whether you're starting seeds indoors or directly sowing into the ground in mild climates, this is a perfect time to get growing. In today's video, we'll cover 30 seeds you can plant this month and how to plant them for a healthy, productive garden. Now, let's start with cool season vegetables. Now, these thrive in lower temperatures and they can be started indoors or directly outdoors in mild climates. Spinach. Plant directly in the garden or in trays indoors for an early harvest. Lettuce. Leaf varieties grow very quickly, even in cooler temperatures. Kale, perfect for overwintering, and it grows well in trays or outside. Carrots, sow directly in well-drained soil for straight, healthy roots. Another vegetable is beets. These versatile veggies grow quickly and are frost-hardy. Radishes, plant outdoor for a quick crop in just a few weeks. Onions, start onion seeds indoors for spring transplanting. Broccoli. Now you want to start indoors and move to the garden as temperatures rise. Quick tip. Use a grow light to ensure strong, healthy seedlings and roots. January is also a great time to start herbs indoors. They'll thrive in small spaces and will give you fresh flavors for months to come. Parsley. Now this is a slow grower, so start your parsley early. Cilantro. Cilantro is perfect for cooler temperatures and quick to harvest. Basil loves warmth, so keep it in a sunny window or underneath a light. Chives, they're hardy and perfect for indoor pots. Thyme, a perennial herb that grows easily in containers. Now you want to rotate pots weekly for even growth. Now you want to brighten up your garden early? January is the time to sow these beautiful flowers indoors for transplanting in the spring. Fancies. These hardy flowers thrive in cooler weather. Snapdragons. Now start snapdragons indoors for a cool spring display. Sweet peas. Plant directly outdoors in mild climates. Calendula. Now these are frost-friendly, frost-hardy, vibrant plant to plant in your garden. Foxgloves, perfect for creating vertical interest. Lupines, they're great for pollinators and striking garden borders. If you want to grow warm season crops like tomatoes and peppers, January is a perfect time to start them indoors, so they'll be ready for transplanting after the last frost. Now with tomatoes, now you want to use a heat mat indoors for faster germination. Peppers, both sweet and hot varieties do well starting indoors. Eggplant. Now you want to start eggplant early, strong plants by spring. Quick tip. Label your seed trays to avoid mix-ups because they can get confusing. For those in milder climates, these seeds can be directly sown outdoors in January. Peas. Plant in well-drained soil for early spring harvest. Garlic. Plant cloves now for a summer harvest. Turnips. Quick growing and frost tolerant. Shallots is another one. Similar to onions, they thrive in cool soil. Lastly, let's talk about perennials. You can start from seed in January to enjoy for years to come. Lavender is one, aromatic and perfect for pollinators. Echinacea, also known as coneflower, great for wildlife gardens. Hollyhock, they're tall and beautiful and perfect for borders. Rhubarb, plants once and enjoy harvest for years to come. January might be cold, but it's the perfect time to start planting and planning for a successful gardening season. Whether you're starting seeds indoors or even sowing directly into the ground, these 30 seeds will set you up for a thriving garden, inshallah. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gardening tips. And let us know in the comments what you're planting this month. Happy gardening. Today we are back out in our garden this is actually December 30th. It's like the colder months. As you can see, it looks like a spring day. Beautiful day. Eyes are clear, the sun is out. But I want to show you all an quick update on our garlic that we planted. As you can see how they're growing. You see when we planted it in our other video, we'll show a little clip on the top right here. But this is our garlic and it smells so fresh. As you can see, some of it's kind of exposed, so we'll cover more of it with some mulch. Not mulch, but dirt and some more leaves. But they're coming up quite a bit, as you can see. And then if we go a little further, as you remember, we put this fence over it so the cats and stuff won't dig into our garlic bed. But as you can see, we got our onions coming, so the green onions. They're coming out really, really good. And so far, we got our whole entire garlic bed. On the other side, in another raised bed up here, we have more garlic growing. And we still have beets growing. You can see all of these. These are all beets. See if we can see it. The sun is kind of bright today, but they are surviving the winter. So we just have simple this soil and compost on here, and then we cover this so the cats won't dig inside of our garlic bed. And then if you come over here, we have more of our carrots still growing. They do pretty well in really, really cold weather because it's been really, really cold. So this is how this looks. With some of our protective winter fabric, we have our broccoli doing pretty good still. We have about 4 heads of broccoli here. So this is a pretty good sign on January that's doing really well. So I cover it right back. Built this little plastic thing over it so it can stay warm and safe from frost.